Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting the correct hardware. Plug the 25W or higher USB-C PD charger into a wall outlet, not a power strip, because consistent voltage matters. Make sure the USB-C to USB-C cable is fully seated and rated for PD. Loose connectors slow charging. Once connected, enable airplane mode or battery saver to reduce background activity, and make sure the screen is off. This directs more current to the battery and shortens charge time. Once the hardware is active, optimize the phone software to accept maximum current. You should turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services because each one draws power. Close or force stop streaming apps and games since background CPU spikes throttle charging. If your model supports PPS or AFC, the phone will negotiate higher voltages automatically, so avoid toggling settings that interrupt USB negotiations. Make sure to keep the phone cool, remove thick cases, because thermal limits slow charging. Finish by monitoring charge rate. Charging is fastest to about 80%, then tapers to protect battery. You should unplug at 80% for frequent fast top-ups or wait to 100% when needed. If charging is slower than expected, try the OEM charger and cable in a different outlet to isolate the issue. Once done, restart the phone or install pending updates if the device fails to negotiate fast charge. This often resolves software-related charging faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.